Hello everyone, welcome to tdsprime.com. In this video, we will learn how to unblock and enable the macros in e-TDS Excel software. Let's start. Open the e-TDS Excel software which has been downloaded. Extract the zip folder by right-click, click on Extract All, then click on Extract. Click on e-TDS Excel software. Here you can see e-TDS Excel blank template, step-by-step guide, read me first, sample files for your reference. You have to click the e-TDS Excel blank template for make the regular return. Before opening the template, you have to unblock this file by right-click on the file. Then go to the properties, check on unblock, click on apply, then click on OK. Now we will see how to enable the macros in e-TDS Excel software. Go to the file, click on Excel options, then click on Trust Center, then click on Trust Center settings. After that, click on macro settings. Here you have to click on enable all macros, then click on OK. If you are not getting unblock option, then you have to enable macros from this option. Click on option, click on enable this content, then click on OK. For feedback and queries, feel free to contact us. Thank you.